Hi guys, I am architect Neha Vaseem and I would like to explain you how do we do HVAC for commercial areas. This is one of my site, one of the showrooms that I've made for one of my clients, and here you will get to see a lot of HVAC machinery like your AHUs, the air handling unit, the ducting system, your VRV system, the cassette units that we have placed here. Accordingly, you can change the temperature systems. There's a digital temperature meter also that I will show you with remote. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the main AHU1, which is an exposed one here, and these are the ducts which are providing all the vents and the cool air for this particular area, the exposed part area. So these ducts, the grills that you see here below the ducts and on top of the ducts, these are called vents, from where your return air and supply air actually comes out and goes in. Now coming here, we have ducts inside the false ceiling. So we have placed a vent on the face of the false ceiling. So in exposed, you can see the vents. In false ceiling, you will see the vents only on the surfaces of the false ceiling. So this is one of the vent that we have provided for this area and this area. Here is another vent that we have provided for this area. Generally for maintenance, what we do is when we have a false ceiling, we give a trap door to check that the AHUs are working properly. So the trap door of this area, I will show you. These are small trap doors for your other maintenance like fire, light system. You can see speakers, fire, alarm system, smoke detector here. So this is for the maintenance of fire systems. Now this is the main trap door where we have our AHU2. So inside this trapdoor goes our AHU2, and there are ducts running providing air supply to that vent and then providing air supply to the vent we saw in the start. Coming back, here also we have two vents, one small vent, one bigger vent. One is for return air and one is for supply air. Now here you will see a digital temperature meter. Okay. So this is how we will use this remote to check if the temperature of this AHUs or these AHUs are working properly or not. Now these are the cassette ACs, which are the VRV system. VRV system means variable refrigerant volume, and we have a VRF system which is variable refrigerant flow. Now what does VRV, VRF means? For suppose we have two spaces, one space requires 1 tonnage of air conditioning and another space requires 2 tonnage of air conditioning. So but the entire outdoor unit is for 3 tons, right? 2 ton and 1 ton. We have one outdoor unit, but we can have two different indoor units. We can connect them using the copper line and other pipelines that we use for our HVAC system. So we can have varied tonnage from just one system. So this is a Daikin VRV system we placed here. This also we can use the remote to set its temperature for. It will get switched on and off. As you can see, the vent is open. I switched it on and I will switch it off. You will see the vent closing. Similarly, we have VRV system on the back side. This is 1, this is 2, and we have another AHU unit 3 for back side, which is here. And these are the ducts going on this side. You will see the vents here, return air and supply air vent, and you will see the vent here right above for this particular area. So we have 3 AHU units here, 3 air handling units, and we have 3 VRV systems here for equal distribution of air conditioning tonnage. I hope you like this video. Follow us for more such tips. Thank you. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. Follow us for more such information and more such tips.